Oh my goodness.
Give me just a minute. I'm gonna throw this hay bale up there so the bowl goes over there, and then we'll go in and walk up to the back pasture. Jump. All right, hold on. I'll carry you over the mud.
Whoa!
We gotta turn the fence off. We're going out yet again to check the back pasture fence and let the cows up for a little bit of fresh forage. It's become kind of a routine, and I really enjoy taking the boys up and doing this. This fence has held up pretty well considering how quickly it went up and how light of materials it's made out of. I'm just trying to throw sticks off and make sure it's not on the ground anywhere to make sure the cows will get a good shock if they're up here. Here's something big on it. And then what's this? Looks like a fawn, a pretty small deer. We'll just tighten up these wires where that was on it, and I'm tightening them up by winding the wire around the insulator, which I think it probably weakens the wire, but it's worked really well up here to keep these fences working for me without bringing tools or anything up here. Here's a big, well not a big, but here's a sycamore that isn't going to come down any further because it's sitting on that tree, but I should come cut this at some point, but it's not even touching the fence, so it's okay for now. Are you getting sleepy back there? You're not getting sleepy, you look sleepy. I'll have to get you back so you can take a nap, not on my back. Okay, buddy, let's go back. Looks like you got your mud's a little booty. Looks like you got your mud's a little shoey. Here, I'll help you. Alrighty. How's school going?
I think we're done.
Oh, good.
For today.
So the back pasture's open. The cows can go up in there. They're eating hay right now. I distracted that bull. I've learned his pattern where like he goes straight to the hay. He loves hay. Mm-hmm. It's his food. And so we kind of just snuck around. Not that he's ever been aggressive, but I don't want the kids right around him.
Yeah, we're still gonna be super careful.
It is pretty, isn't it?
I had to second it.
Really? I want to show you guys something really cute. It's been a long time since we've had a baby fall asleep on our backs. Well, he's not on my back. So cute. Isn't that special?
It is.
Can I see? I want to see.
You can see him.
Hey, mister. How are you? Head up this way, dude. Head up this way. Come on, up this way. There you go. The bull's never been in the back pasture. Alice knows the fence is open. She's done this before. So Alice is standing right here waiting for them to come. She's like, come on, let's go. Let's go up here and eat some good grass. But he doesn't even know what's happening. The bull came back and Alice followed them back and she's like mooing at them. It's funny, she wants to go back there, but she wants to go all together. But she just doesn't have the words to say it. So she's gonna come back and eat hay. Fence back on, and we'll leave those cows to figure out when they want to go back in that back pasture. They'll figure it out.
So these are obviously the best sweet potatoes we pulled. They were the very last ones. And I think that's for a few reasons. I just think the soil down here somehow got a little bit more compost worked in, probably more leaves, and they're just better growing here. You know, we did nothing to these sweet potatoes, and I spent about $5, maybe $10 on the plants, and on the starts. I think it was like $5 or $6, and we probably ended up with 75 pounds. I mean, obviously, if they had all been closer to this size, They're all pretty small. These last ones though are some good sized ones, but it's because we did nothing. We stuck them in the ground and then we went about our business. And that's what I love, you know, about gardening. Yes, if you want ultimate efficiency, if you want ultimate productivity, you need to be a very diligent gardener. However, I don't always have that luxury with everything I plant. So some things I just plant knowing if I get something from that, it costs me $5. If I get something from that, I will just be so pleased. And we got quite a bit, even though most of them are small. We'll be doing a lot of like slices and a lot of fries and things like that. But I'm pleased. I'm really pleased. And I am interested to see how much we ended up getting all together. We eat sweet potatoes a lot. And so probably next year I'll do 3 or 4 rows even. I mean like the whole length of the garden rows. Because organic sweet potatoes at the store here are like $2.50 a pound. And you know, one can weigh a pound. So it saves us a lot of money to grow our own organic produce.
Bree's birthday is coming up soon, and we're gonna celebrate it tomorrow. That's the day we have. She just went out this evening to meet up with a few of her friends to celebrate her birthday with her friends. And tomorrow we're gonna have a family party. So we're having a planning meeting while we eat a quick, simple supper. And then we're gonna go out, we're gonna get one present together, and we're gonna get some stuff to make her day special tomorrow. One thing we're gonna do is make her a pizza that she really loves that we never make, but it has bacon and arugula on it. And so it's really light and fresh. The arugula like goes on last, it's fresh. So we're just sitting here planning how we're gonna make her day special tomorrow. Her request was that we work in the garden together, putting the garden to bed, moving the geese up to the top of the garden. So that's the plan, but we're trying to come up with some other things we can do to make her day really special.
We have a gift shop in town, and there's like a nice nativity set that's carved out of wood. I want to buy more Bibles and a cowboy gun.
That's exactly what you want. That would be a good birthday present for you. So we're gonna go to the grocery store and to a gift shop, and then we're gonna come home and try to get the camper clean because that's a gift in and of itself. It's been a beautiful evening. The sun is setting out here. It had indeed been another great day on the homestead, so thank you for joining us. So we're gonna try to make Brianna's birthday a great day for her because she loves birthdays. She loves celebrating days. So that'll be our focus tomorrow. Okay, have a great night. Bye.